listen, it was time for me to have a break, so I texted my mom, I need a break. So she gave me 5 hours. Yeah, you little girl, I needed a break from you. So I did CrossFit, of course. I need to get my workout in. And then straight after, I had to go do some errands, which was just clean my car, get some protein latte. And then straight after, I had to deep clean this house because, I think it's better. Girl, will you let me talk? Because I just had to deep clean this house. I clean it every day. But, with Little Miss Sunshine over here, sometimes it's hard. And I think I just needed a peaceful day without any interruptions. Girl. So just enjoy the rest of this time lapse of me cleaning, listening to music, and just rushing.